Hi, today we're going to have some cheese crackers, and I'm going to show you exactly how you make the cheese crackers. First, you'll need one of these, and some of these. I'm going to make, okay, you want to start dumping in your cheese. Next, you want your Parmesan cheese. So you want a lot of that put in there. And then some paprika, a half a teaspoon of paprika, put that in there. Next, you want a pinch of cayenne pepper, put that in there. That'd be good right there. Then after that, you want to start kind of smooth this out a little bit. Get it real pasty, like a butter texture. And what are you looking for? And the thing you're looking for is like a buttery texture, like a cheesy buttery texture. And once you get that, pretty much, you're going to add in your all-purpose flour, a half a cup of all-purpose flour. And that's what you're looking for, like a crumbly looking thing. What helps is if you can use your hand, make sure your hand's clean, and then start using your hand to get this real crumbly like this. Start out using a fork to get this level. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cold water. It's like you want your water cold, and you want to take 1 tablespoon water. Start with that. It's going to take more than that, but start with that, and you just want to use your hands and kind of form like a, well, you'll see, just use your hands, kind of a little sticky at first, but once you get into that level, you don't really want to knead it, you just want to kind of pack it together. Roll this out. Make sure it's real good, like. Got to be real good. Get it all rolled out like this. What you want to do is you want to start cutting lines in it. You don't have to be perfect. Kind of dot these. Get 4 dots or whatever you want. 5 dots or 6 dots. Anyways, there's the Cheez-Its, the homemade cracker Cheez-Its, and they're very crunchy, good. They're good for you. So go home, make this, and do subscribe to my channel, because I do work hard to bring channels. Anyways, y'all have a great day.